At Out of This World, we're proud to offer rejuvenation of existing bathrooms or installation of new. We'll work with you to find the best solution for you for your renovation. And that could be that you call us and we will arrange absolutely everything for you for your renovation. All the trades, the general contractors, the electricians, the plumbers, everything you need to get that job from start to finish. Or if you have contractors you already work with, we're more than happy to work with them too. We only use licensed professionals for all our renovations. Our warranties are the best in the industry. We have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. I encourage you to check out our reviews. Whether you're needing to have a project done now or looking for a renovation in the future, give us a call and we'll get you set up with a consultation.